Hi everybody, this is Susan here. Welcome back to our cooking show. Today we're going to be making some delicious sweet and sour sesame seed crispy chicken strips. Alrighty then, let's get cooking. First, we are going to prepare 4 chicken breasts here by cutting it in half and then cutting it into about finger size strips here. There we go. Be careful your fingers. And we're about done now. After you're done, you're going to put that in a mixing bowl. And then we're going to prepare to season it. There we go. And we are going to start with some white pepper. Just a dash of it. And up next is a drizzle of sesame oil. A quick drizzle. And then some Chinese rice wine. 1 teaspoon is enough. There it goes. And then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. To counter that, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder. And then 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. To start. 2 teaspoons, sorry about that. Then mix it all up, get it all nice and sticky. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon or a drizzle of oil so that it doesn't get too sticky. There we go. And we're going to let that sit for a bit. We're going to be adding 1 egg yolk. There we go, mix it all in. And now we're going to add some more cornstarch. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch so that the egg this time sticks to the chicken when the chicken has already absorbed all those seasonings from before. Okay then, we're going to prepare a plate of all-purpose flour for the coating. And while that's getting ready, we're heating up some oil there. We're going to add 1 cup of water with half a cup of white spirit vinegar and half a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of tomato sauce. And this will be our delicious sweet and tangy sweet and sour sauce. While that's cooking there, we're going to just slice up some chilies and some carrots for color. Just sprinkle it there, get out all the seeds, and then slice these chilies here for a little bit of a hit or a bang. And about 1/4 of a onion there, sliced. And let that cook for about a minute or 2. Then we're going to prepare 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with some water. And slowly add that in to thicken the sweet and sour sauce. There we go. We added in some more oil for a more glistening kind of look when the final product is done. And we'll turn that to a low heat. Now we're going to slowly coat our chicken strips there and slowly add it to our hot oil. Just do it slowly. There we go. Do not overcrowd your wok of oil or the chicken strips might stick together and form big lumpies. We will fry this for about 5 minutes or until it turns a light golden color. There we go. Even sometimes I love eating it plain without the sweet and sour sauce. It's also quite delicious. It's something similar to KFC's chicken pops. I love those things. Okay, this is the first batch. We're just emptying it out onto a separate plate. And then we did the second batch. And as the second batch is ready, we re-added the first batch into the oil just to heat it up. And then you'll transfer that onto our slowly cooking sweet and sour sauce there. And then you just quick stir fry this like a storm. Just make sure everything is coated. There we go. Keep on stir frying. We add a little bit more oil for a better glistening look. There we go. And it smells so good and tangy. You know that kind of smell when you smell that sweet and soury taste. already. It looks so good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions, we'd really like to hear from you. We really do appreciate your support and your input. And remember to gong that bell icon if you haven't already for notifications on our forthcoming videos. Don't miss out. This is Susan signing out. Gotcha, gotcha.